Welcome to Grace Meets Globe. Let's get straight to our topic of today. Carry-on rules for Europe. If you're planning a trip to Europe, this information is crucial. Before you start packing, let's discuss the carry-on rules you need to know. Understanding these rules can help you avoid unexpected fees at the gate. Many travelers have faced these issues, and it's best to be prepared. We will break down the essential carry-on rules for Europe's top airlines. Let's get started. Planning a trip across Europe in 2024. Don't get caught off guard by extra fees at the gate. I'll be sharing the essential carry-on rules for Europe's top airlines so you can pack smart and avoid surprises. Let's begin. Let's begin by discussing the general carry-on guidelines for most European airlines. These rules are fairly standard, but it's always advisable to verify with your specific airline. Consider this as the foundation for your packing strategy. A well-organized carry-on can significantly enhance your travel experience. Typically, you are allowed one cabin bag and one personal item, such as a purse or backpack. This personal item is useful for carrying essential items. The standard carry-on size is generally around 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters. It is important to measure your bag before leaving home to avoid any issues at the airport. The weight limits for carry-on luggage usually range between 7 to 10 kilograms. Ensure you weigh your bag at home to prevent any last-minute adjustments at the airport. Many travelers forget to weigh their luggage before arriving at the airport, which can lead to unexpected complications. Additionally, budget airlines often have stricter policies, so it is crucial to review their guidelines thoroughly before packing. Proper preparation can help you avoid unnecessary stress. Let's discuss Ryanair, an airline known for its low fares but also for additional charges. While the initial ticket price may seem attractive, there are several hidden costs to be aware of. Ryanair's basic fare can be misleading. The low ticket price often comes with several additional fees that can significantly increase the overall cost of your trip. One of the main restrictions is the allowance for a personal item. The size limit for this item is quite small. The dimensions for the personal item are 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 25 centimeters. This is smaller than most standard backpacks. This size restriction means you can only carry essential items such as a phone charger and a small snack. To bring a larger carry-on bag, you need to purchase priority boarding. This option allows for a more substantial carry-on. With priority boarding, you can bring a bag up to 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 20 centimeters with a weight limit of 10 kilograms. It is advisable to pre-book this service to avoid higher fees at the airport. Last-minute charges can be quite expensive and may affect your travel budget. Next, we have Easyjet, an airline that emphasizes the convenience of underseat bags. They provide a free underseat bag allowance, which is quite beneficial. The allowed dimensions are 45 centimeters by 36 centimeters by 20 centimeters, offering a reasonable amount of space. For those who need more space, upgrading to their Standard Plus fare is an option. This upgrade permits a larger carry-on, with dimensions of 56 centimeters by 45 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Additionally, there is no weight limit for this carry-on. However, passengers must be able to lift it into the overhead bin without assistance. Let's discuss British Airways, known for its generous carry-on baggage policy. British Airways offers one of the most accommodating carry-on policies available. You are allowed to bring a carry-on bag measuring 56 centimeters by 45 centimeters by 25 centimeters, along with a personal item such as a laptop bag or purse. Additionally, there is no strict weight limit for your carry-on. However, you should be able to lift your bag into the overhead compartment without assistance. This allows you to pack additional items as long as you can manage the weight yourself. Now, let's discuss Lufthansa, an airline known for its strict weight regulations. Lufthansa has a weight limit for carry-on luggage that travelers should be aware of. The allowed carry-on size is 55 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 23 centimeters, which is fairly standard. However, the carry-on must not exceed 8 kilograms in weight. To avoid any issues, it is advisable to use a luggage scale and pack efficiently before your trip. Let's discuss the important airport security regulations regarding liquids. These rules apply to all European flights, regardless of the airline. It's crucial to understand these guidelines. You are permitted to carry liquids in containers that do not exceed 100 milliliters each. This means full-size shampoo and conditioner bottles are not allowed. All liquid containers must fit inside a 1-liter clear plastic bag. These bags are often provided at security checkpoints. It is advisable to pack efficiently. Using travel-size products is highly recommended. Let's discuss the essential tech guidelines for your trip. When it comes to electronics, the rules are quite clear. Laptops and tablets must be removed from your bag at security checkpoints. Ensure your devices are easily accessible for inspection. For batteries, the regulations are more specific. Lithium-ion batteries, which power most devices, must not exceed 100 watt-hours. This limit covers most consumer electronics, but it's advisable to verify your battery specifications. Pay special attention if you are carrying high-end equipment. Avoid delays by ensuring your portable chargers comply with the power limits. All right, travelers, here are some essential tips to help you avoid extra fees during your trip. Unexpected charges can be a major inconvenience, but with a bit of planning, you can steer clear of them. Tip number 1. Prepay for any baggage you need during booking. This proactive step can save you both money and hassle later on. While it may seem like an additional expense up front, it is significantly cheaper than paying at the airport. Airlines often charge much more for baggage at the counter. Tip number 2. Weigh your bags before you leave for the airport. This can help you avoid costly overweight baggage fees. Many travelers overlook this step and end up paying extra. Overweight luggage fees can add up quickly. Invest in a luggage scale or use your bathroom scale. This small investment can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. And finally, tip number 3, use compression bags. These bags can help you fit more into your suitcase without exceeding the weight limit. Compression bags can save a considerable amount of space in your carry-on, allowing you to pack more efficiently. Additionally, they help keep your clothes wrinkle-free, which is an added benefit. This means less time spent ironing at your destination. By following these tips, you can enjoy a fee-free and stress-free travel experience. Safe travels. And there you have it, my friends, the essential carry-on rules for Europe in 2024. Now go forth and pack smart. Avoid those surprise fees and have a smooth and enjoyable trip. Oh, and before you embark on your journey across Europe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're interested in more travel tips, hit that subscribe button and join the Grace Meets Globe community. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, so I would really appreciate your support.